I'm Sarah, and today on Budget Sew, I'm going to show you my pattern haul. So I've never ordered patterns online before, but I thought I would give it a shot and see what happens. So I ordered some patterns from the Vogue website, and I'm really excited with what I have. So when I ordered them, I wasn't sure how long it would take for them to arrive. It took about 2 weeks for them to get here. They are coming from the States, shipping to Canada. So you need to check how much the shipping rates are because it varies per pattern, per location. I did get my patterns on sale, of course. I got them for $6.99 each because I love a sale. And these are my patterns. So the first pattern I have is a very easy Vogue. It's a 9282. What I like about these pants is I like the width of the leg. I also like the seam up the front of the leg, and it actually goes down the back. These seams, I feel, make my legs look longer. Now I am very tall, but I still like my legs to look long. These pants also come with a back zipper. If you're not a fan of the back zipper, you can always move it to the front of these pants, which is probably what I'll do. Now these pants don't come with a waistband, which I don't really mind. It reminds me of a New Look pattern that I first started sewing with. It didn't have a waistband in it at all, and the zipper was up the front, and it was also wide leg. So I'm really looking forward to making these up, just as, you know, memories from my youth. The next pattern that I have here is a Vogue 8888, and it is a lingerie pattern. It's a robe, camisole, slip, and panties. What really caught my attention about this pattern was the robe. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, I like that the ties for the robe are actually attached to the robe. So you're not fussing around, you know, dropping your belt and then having to pick it up to tie up your robe or trying to thread it through the belt loops. I like that this is actually sewn to the robe pattern. I also like the different sleeves on the robe. There are 2 different variations of that. I think it's going to make up really nice. What I'll probably do is I'll make up other robe and nightie patterns at the same time. I do have a bunch of patterns that I'm really looking forward to trying out, and I thought, while I have the fabric out, why don't I make a bunch of them up. The next pattern I have here is another very easy Vogue. It's 9372, and this is a dress pattern. I absolutely love this. I love the flounce hem. I love the 2 different lengths. I did get some fabric. It's like a black with some gold embroidery. I was thinking about making that up in this pattern, maybe for Christmas. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'll keep you posted. The 4th pattern I ordered is another very easy Vogue 9197. What I like about this pattern is it does come with custom cup sizes, so you can choose how it's going to fit in the bust. I also like the 2 lengths of the skirt. My favorite part is that the skirt is cut on the crosswise grain. So I'm really looking forward to making that up, probably in a stripe pattern so you can see the differences there. My 5th and final pattern is my absolute favorite. It's a Vogue 1643. I love this. I love the length of the jacket, the pockets. I love the ribbon and the ribbon trim on it. I think it's a really sharp look. I also love the skirt pattern. Now it is pleated in the front, but it's smooth at the back, which I think will come out very nicely. I think the dress is quite cute as well. If I did make it up, I'd probably lengthen it just a little bit and add a kick pleat in the back. So that's my pattern haul from Vogue Patterns online. I was really pleased with how quickly they came to me, and that they were on sale. What was also really nice about my pattern order was I got these 2 brochures, and what's really nice about them is they have discount codes. So when I order my patterns online, I can get 10% off any printed Butterick, McCALLS, Vogue, or Quick Sew patterns. Now there is expiry date on it, on both of them, but I probably will place another pattern order before it runs out. These open up quite nicely as well, in case you want to put them up in your sewing room. It shows you all the new patterns that have come out. I think I'm going to be putting these up. because my favorite is right there. That's my pattern haul from Vogue Patterns. Please like and subscribe to BudgetSew to see what's coming up next. See you next time.